Hands for Hope from the Meadowbrook School of Weston, and we 3D print prosthetic hands to give away to children.
Prosthetics that are given away by a hospital can cost upwards of $10,000, which is a ridiculous amount of money to pay for something that a kid is going to outgrow in about 3 months. So at Hands for Hope, we found a solution to this.
We 3D print all of the hands, and then we assemble it and put strings in it and add Velcro and padding for the child. Come visit us at booth 6 if you have any questions. Thank you.
We are representing the Meadowbrook School of Weston's film program. Every year, a bunch of kids get together from 6th to 8th grade as part of the 48-hour film project, where we have 48 hours to make a 7-minute movie.
We get a genre for our film and a prop and a character and a line of dialogue, and we have 48 hours to make a high-quality film that's going to be presented at a theater and then voted on. And we learn all of the skills needed for this through our film program at our school.
We learn how to do everything from writing, editing, filming, acting, and directing our own movies.
Come see us at Table 7.
Gosh, Tyler, I've been to South Africa.
I went to China. We did see the Forbidden City, something that's like miles long.
You went to China? You went to Gettysburg?
Please come to our table. We have a lot of really cool photos and we'll tell you all about our experiences. It'll be a really great time.